All right, coach. Not the result you want here today. Assess the performance of your team over the two outcomes.
Well, as you can see with the players, they worked really hard. I mean, they left it out there. They gave everything they have. With the opportunities that we didn't capitalize on. It was a tough game for us from a fitness standpoint. Our bench was short, and so with the injuries that we have, there are some players that couldn't play, and so see what the players have to give, and they gave it. And I'm proud of them for giving the effort that they gave. They never stopped, so that's all you can ask.
How disappointing, coach, not to be in the final round?
Very disappointing because I think we have something special in this country. We have to do some things to get it better, but I think we have talent, and I think we can really, and I think we should be in every final round of this in every age group.
Anything we could have done better, coach?
A little more time with them would have been better because there's things that you couldn't get to with the amount of time that you had to put in, because even there were adjustments that I was trying to make within the game that they didn't clearly get because we weren't able to kind of work on those things. But it is what it is. You have to do the best that you can with it, and I'm proud that they went out there and none of the kids quit. They played through everything. So that's all I can ask from them is to continue to play and continue to develop as players. We have to continue to develop these players so that they can be ready for the next time they have to go out and represent the country.
Coach, in terms of preparation, what would be like an ideal time for you in terms of length of time of preparation?
For preparation, I think knowing ahead of time when these things are, 6-8 months is what you need to do, because there's so many things that you want to cover and go over and be able to go over more than once or twice. So for me, it's just knowing when the dates are and start 6 to 8 months ahead of time and get those kids ready to play.
How much time did you have with this team?
This week. This week. I mean, some of them were training here in camp, but I was not here. And so I only had a week, a few days actually, because we had to leave the training on Wednesday, so to go to the hotel. Because the games got moved up a day from what it was originally scheduled, because we were supposed to start on Saturday, we started on Friday, so we actually lost a day of training when that happened.
You're also the under-20 coach, right? You're also the under-20 coach?
Yes, sir.
Based on the talent that you're seeing here, what's the prospect like for us going forward?
I think with the under-20s, I thought we had quite a bit of talent on it. I think with this group, we've got to continue to develop these players. I think they're not as talented as the 20s were, but they're willing to work. And I think if you spend the time with them, I think they'll get there. It's just a matter of being able to spend the time with them and get them to develop and understand the things that, at the highest level, what's expected. Because at the international level, it gets tougher every round, and you have to be ready for that. And I don't think they fully understand what that is.
Thank you. Mr. Coach.